Hello, everyone. Today I discuss the May 28th updated guidance issued from the EEOC for employers addressing questions concerning vaccinations in the employment context. The key takeaways from the updated guidance are that 1, employers can require that employees be vaccinated for COVID-19 as a condition to entering the workplace, provided that they comply with their obligation to explore reasonable accommodations for people who can't be vaccinated due to either their disability or sincerely held religious belief, or for pregnant workers. The EEOC also provided updated guidance on what could be an accommodation for these unvaccinated people, and the EEOC issued recommendation that employees should not be excluded from the workplace if these accommodations can't be met until they've done a direct threat assessment to ensure that these people can be in the workplace without directly threatening the health and safety of themselves or others. And that would be based on reasonable medical judgment that relies on the most current medical knowledge about COVID-19. So that's a standard that could change over time based on our understanding of medical information. And as infection numbers continue to decline, the direct threat argument may begin to weaken, so that the individual assessments should be conducted for each person, and that may change over time. For employers who had some questions about how they deal with workers who say that they have a sincerely held religious belief and can't get vaccinated, or they want to wait for a different version of the vaccination, the EEOC spoke about that, and they recommend that employers should ordinarily assume that an employer's request for religious accommodation is based on a sincerely held religious belief or practice. And only if they have direct information that that is not the case, then they can ask for additional information. Third, the EEOC has stated that employees' COVID-19 vaccine status is considered confidential medical information under the ADA. So that means that it has to be treated as confidential, and it must be maintained separately in an employee's personnel file. And fourth, the EEOC addressed incentives that employers may provide to their employees and to their family members. Employers may offer incentives to employees for receiving the vaccine if it's voluntary, and so long as the incentives are not so substantial that they're coercive. In addition, employers may offer incentives to employees to provide documentation or other confirmation of vaccination, so long as it's obtained from a third party, so not from the employer. And that would be such as vaccinations through a pharmacy, personal health care provider, or public clinic, and that would be without violating the ADA or GINA. Thank you.